Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. Grab your drink of choice and let's dive into today's topic.
By March 2026, users began replacing browser-based chat windows with local desktop command centers. These tools execute multi-step tasks directly across your local files. 3 major platforms now define this local landscape: Claude CoWork, OpenAI Codex Desktop, and OpenClaw. Selecting an agent requires prioritizing a specific type of professional output over others. This path diverges into 3 distinct ecosystems: code, documents, and automations. Choosing wrong can disrupt workflows or introduce vulnerabilities. To navigate this, we use a scenario match framework to map these tools to 3 identities: a developer, a project manager, and a power user. Success in this desktop era requires matching the architecture of the tool strictly to your primary daily output. Claude CoWork is a premium, safety-first tool designed for non-technical knowledge workers, consultants, and project managers. This schematic shows CoWork's operational environment. The Claude logo runs within an isolated virtual machine, a self-contained system disconnected from root files to prevent damage. Inside that secure zone, CoWork transforms messy inputs and pushes out professionally formatted documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. If you point CoWork at a chaotic downloads folder filled with months of client deliverables and random screenshots, it will autonomously sort everything into subfolders by client, rename files based on their contents, and flag duplicates for deletion. If a client sends 6 different PDF attachments with conflicting process documentation, CoWork reads all 6 and synthesizes them into a single gap analysis Word document highlighting the specific conflicts. These capabilities come with specific trade-offs. CoWork requires a paid subscription starting at $20 a month. The app must remain open on your desktop to function. If the computer sleeps, the task stops. It also lacks developer integrations like Git.
CoWork trades developer flexibility for simplicity and local safety, serving professionals who manage documents, not code. OpenAI Codex Desktop is the current choice for software developers and engineering teams. This diagram illustrates Codex's multi-agent orchestration. It can run independent AI coding tasks simultaneously across different data streams. By assigning isolated work trees to each agent within a Git repository, they can make independent edits and merge them without overwriting each other's code. If you have 3 separate bugs filed against a Python backend, you can assign 3 separate Codex threads to tackle them at the same time. Each agent diagnoses the issue, writes the fix, runs tests, and prepares a pull request. A pull request is a formal proposal to merge new code changes into the main project. It also integrates into IDEs like VS Code. You can set up background automations, like a nightly triage of your continuous integration pipeline. Continuous integration is the practice of automatically testing code changes before they are finally deployed. The barriers to entry are high. Codex requires technical comfort to operate. Because cloud tasks send code-based data to OpenAI's infrastructure, it poses privacy considerations for sensitive projects. To get the rate limits for heavy parallel processing, the highest tier costs $200 a month. By functioning as a parallel processing junior engineering team, Codex addresses the specific needs of professional developers who can justify the cost. OpenClaw is the free, open-source alternative built for tech-savvy power users and tinkerers. OpenClaw functions without a standard desktop interface. It works proactively through messaging apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord. Users have access to 13,000 community-built skills. These connect the agent to smart home hardware, Google Workspace, and custom web scrapers. You can message the agent via WhatsApp to check for calendar conflicts. It independently creates the event and sends out the invite without you ever opening your laptop. Because it is proactive, you can set it to scrape competitor pricing pages daily and push a Telegram alert to your phone the moment a price drops below a threshold you set. This schematic illustrates the risk. OpenClaw operates unsandboxed, running natively with your full permissions. This gives it unrestricted access to sensitive directories. Gartner categorized it as insecure by default, meaning safe use requires manual security hardening by the user. The most significant threat is prompt injection. Prompt injection is a vulnerability where malicious instructions are hidden inside a file or web page. If your agent reads a compromised PDF, hidden instructions can trick it into extracting local data and sending it to a third party. OpenClaw offers massive, zero-cost automation, provided the user can actively manage the severe security liabilities inherent in an unsandboxed system. To decide which tool belongs on your desktop, we can look at 3 specific scenarios. These platforms are engineered for different professional outputs, so they cannot be compared by model intelligence alone. This chart maps technical skill against formatting polish. If your work involves creating polished documents, presentations, or organized folders, choose Claude CoWork to avoid unnecessary complexity. This second chart maps technical skill against parallel execution. If you are managing pull requests, CI pipelines, and large code bases, OpenAI Codex Desktop provides the necessary parallel orchestration. This chart maps security risk against integration. If you want an assistant embedded in your text messages and you can manage the cybersecurity risks, deploy OpenClaw. This landscape remains volatile. Capabilities are expanding, and potential super app mergers are on the horizon for late 2026. Ultimately, the most effective desktop agent is the one built specifically to handle your unique professional outputs and your daily workflow.
Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. And if you're ready to get serious about making AI your coworker, not just your chatbot, you can get free prompts and a 30-day AI confidence checklist, no sign-up required, at everydayaimadesimple.ai. That's where I'm building tools, guides, and resources to help you confidently use AI in your everyday life and work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.